Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English. If you're new here, I'm Mia. Before we start, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who also wants to improve their English. Today, we have something super useful for you.
And I'm Leo. Today, we're talking about 100 essential English words you need to know. These are simple, basic words, but you use them every single day. If you know these, you can already say a lot in English.
We're going to learn these words in short, fun little stories and examples so you can remember them easily. No stress, no grammar book, just chill English with us.
Exactly. Listen, relax, and imagine the situations. You don't need to understand every single thing. Just catch the general idea and enjoy. Ready?
Let's go. We're going to start with some super common everyday words. Imagine you wake up in the morning, you open your eyes, and you think, I am tired. Here we already have our first essential words. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, this, that, here, there.
So listen to this little scene. Try to picture it in your head. No need to repeat. Just listen and enjoy.
I wake up. It is 7 a.m. I am tired. This bed is so warm. That alarm is so loud. I don't want to move. I look at my phone. You sent me a message. We have a class today. They are already awake. He is making coffee. She is in the shower. It is too early. I want to stay here. I don't want to go there.
These tiny words are like Lego pieces. You use them all the time to build sentences. When you can use I, you, we, they, he, she, it, this, that, here, there, you can already describe your world.
Now let's talk about time in a very simple way. Listen to these words. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, later, always, never, sometimes, usually, often.
Picture this mini story. Again, just listen.
Today, I have a lot to do. Yesterday, I was lazy. I watched videos and ate snacks. Tomorrow, I want to be better. Now, I need to get up. I will drink water and take a shower. Later, I will study English. I always check my phone in the morning. I never eat breakfast in bed. I sometimes go for a run. I usually drink coffee. I often listen to music when I work.
See what is happening here? You are not just learning words, you are learning how real people talk about time in everyday life.
Okay, let's move to some feeling words. Feelings are important because you want to say how you are. Listen to these basics. Happy, sad, angry, tired, hungry, thirsty, bored, busy, afraid, excited.
Now imagine you have a crazy day, and all your feelings change.
In the morning, I am tired, but I drink coffee and I feel happy. Then I see my to-do list and I feel a little afraid. It is so long. My boss sends me a message and I feel busy. At lunchtime, I am very hungry and thirsty. I eat a big sandwich and drink water. After lunch, I am bored in a long meeting. In the afternoon, the internet stops working and I feel angry. At the end of the day, I get a message from a friend. Let's go to a concert. Now I feel excited. Not sad, not tired. Just excited.
When you can say, I am happy, or I am tired, or I am bored, people understand you fast. These are small words, but they are very powerful.
Let's go to places and things around you. We have words like house, home, room, street, city, country, school, work, shop, restaurant.
Picture a simple little life story with these words.
I live in a small house in a big city. My home is cozy and warm. My room is small, but I like it. There is a window and a big bed. In the morning, I walk on the street. to go to work. I work in a school. My friend works in a restaurant. On my way home, I stop at a shop to buy food. Some days I dream. Maybe one day I will live in another country. But tonight, I am happy to go home.
Notice something. With very basic words, you can already tell a life story. House, home, room, street, city, country, school, work, shop, restaurant. Knowing these gives you a map of your daily world in English.
Now let's talk about people in your life, family and friends. Here's some must-know words. Mother, father, parents, sister, brother, family, friend, people, man, woman, child.
Listen to this little scene.
My family is big. I live with my parents, my brother, and my sister. My mother is funny. My father is quiet. My brother is a gamer. My sister loves music. I have one best friend. He is a kind man. She is a strong woman. At family parties, there are many people. There is always one child who runs and plays all the time. It is loud, but I love my family and my friends.
These words help you talk about your relationships, about the people you love, and the people you see every day.
Time for some action words, some very basic verbs. These are super important. Be, have, do, go, come, make, want, need, know, like.
Imagine a day with only these verbs. You will see how essential they are.
In the morning, I am sleepy. I have a problem. I don't have coffee. I need coffee. I go to the kitchen. I make coffee. My friend comes to my house. We have breakfast together. I want pancakes, but we don't have eggs. So we go to a shop. I know the shop is cheap. We buy food. At home, we make pancakes. I like this morning. I have good food. I have a good friend. I am happy.
You see? With just be, have, do, go, come, make, want, need, know, you can talk about so many things in your day.
Now, let's add more action verbs with simple daily activities. Listen to these. Eat, drink, sleep, walk, run, talk, listen, read, write, watch.
Here is a simple, very real evening.
In the evening, I eat dinner and drink tea. Sometimes I walk in the park. I don't run, I am too tired. I go home and I talk to my family or my friends. I listen to music, I read a book, or I watch a show. Before bed, I write a little in my journal. Then I sleep. This is my perfect evening.
When you know these verbs, you can describe almost any part of your day. And you start to feel like English is not something in a book, but something in your life.
Okay, let's talk about describing words, adjectives. These help your English sound more interesting, more colorful. Here are some essential ones. Big, small, good, bad, new, old, easy, difficult, long, short.
Listen to this story about learning English. Maybe it feels a little familiar.
When I start learning English, it feels difficult. There are so many words, so many rules, but I have a good teacher and a good friend to help me. I take small steps. I watch short videos. I listen to simple podcasts. Every day, I learn a few new words. It is not so bad. After a long time, I feel better. Big things start with small steps.
See how these adjectives make the story more clear and interesting? Big, small, good, bad, new, old, easy, difficult, long, short. With just these, you can say a lot.
Now we're going to look at some useful words for quantity and frequency, things like some, many, a lot, a little, few, all, every, each, more, less.
Imagine a person who loves coffee too much. Maybe this is you. No judgment.
In the morning, I drink some coffee. It is okay. But then I drink more coffee at work. After that, I drink a little more. Now I have a problem. I have too much coffee in my body. I have a lot of energy. I talk a lot. I move a lot. Many people look at me and think, what is happening? Next day, I drink less coffee. I drink only 1 cup. I remember. Not every problem needs coffee. Some problems need water and sleep.
These words help you talk about how much of something you have or do. They are really important in real conversations.
Let's add some simple question words because you need them to talk to people. Who, what, where, when, why, how, which, whose.
We're going to mix them into a small dialogue situation in a cafe. Listen carefully.
I go to a new cafe. The barista smiles and says, "Hi, what do you want?" I say, "A coffee, please." He asks, "How do you like your coffee? With sugar? With milk?" I say, "With milk, please." I look around and ask, "Who is the singer of this song? I like it." He says, "I don't know, but I can check." I ask, "When do you close?" He answers, "We close at 10. I ask, "Where can I sit?" He says, "You can sit anywhere." I say, "Why is this cafe so quiet?" "It's nice." He laughs and says, "Because we don't have Wi-Fi today." Then he asks, "Which cake do you want with your coffee?" I say, "Whose idea was that?" Cake with coffee? That person is a genius.
When you can use who, what, where, when, why, how, which, whose, you can survive in almost any place. A shop, a cafe, a school, an airport.
Now let's learn some essential practical words for shopping and money. Buy, pay, price, cheap, expensive, cash, card, ticket, bill, change.
Let's go to a concert with these words.
I want to see my favorite band, so I go online to buy a ticket. The price is not cheap, but it's not too expensive. At the concert, I buy a drink. I don't have cash, so I pay with my card. Later, I go to a restaurant. The food is good. When I get the bill, I am afraid. But it's okay. I can pay. I give money, and I get change. It is a great night.
These words are basic, but you really need them when you travel or just live your normal life.
Now let's talk about technology and free time, because let's be honest, we all live on our phones. Here are some key words: phone, call, message, app, internet, game, music, video, picture, social media.
Here comes a very modern-day mini-story.
I wake up and check my phone. I see a message from my friend. Call me when you can. I open my favorite app and listen to music. I go to work and use the internet all day. After work, I play a game on my phone and watch a video on Pop-Off English, of course. I take a picture of my dinner and post it on social media. At the end of the day, I put my phone away and read a book. Sometimes, real life is better than the screen.
I love how, with just a few words, you can talk about your entire digital life in English.
Now, directions and movement. These are super useful when you travel. In, on, under, over, next to, between, behind, in front of, left, right.
Let's imagine you are lost in a new city, and a kind person helps you.
I am in a new city, and I am lost. I look at my phone, but the internet is not working. A woman comes and says, "Do you need help?" I say, "Yes, please. Where is the train station?" She says, "It is not far. Go straight and then turn left. The station is next to a big park. There is a cafe in front of the station and a hotel behind it. The bus stop is between the station and the hotel. And there is a bank on the corner. You will see the name of the station over the door." I say thank you and start walking. I look under the street signs, on the buildings, everywhere. Finally, I find it.
These little position words are like a GPS for your brain. Learn them, and you can understand and give simple directions.
Finally, let's learn some helpful social words for daily conversations. Yes, no, please, thanks, sorry, hello, hi, bye. Okay, really.
Listen to this very short, very real conversation.
I go to a shop. I say hi. The cashier says, "Hello." I put my things on the counter. She asks, "Do you have a bag?" I say, "No, sorry." She says, "Okay, do you want to buy one?" I say, "Yes, please." She tells me the price. I pay and say, "Thanks." She smiles and says, "Bye. Have a nice day." I say, "Bye." When I leave the shop, I think, people are really nice today.
These tiny words help you sound polite and friendly. They open doors. They make conversations feel smooth.
So, in this episode, you heard and felt 100 essential English words in real situations. You met words for people, places, time, feelings, actions, money, technology, movement, and daily social life.
Don't worry if you don't remember everything now. You can come back, listen again, and pause the video to write down the words you want to remember.
If you enjoyed this episode and you want more easy English with stories, conversations, and jokes, subscribe to Pop Off English right now. Click like and share this video with one friend who also wants to learn English.
And tell us in the comments which word from today is the most useful for you. Or try to write a short sentence using 3 of the words you learned. We really love reading your comments.
Thanks for spending this time with us. You are doing something good for yourself. Keep going, keep listening, and keep popping off in English.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.